All right, gang, I am really excited because we are starting Chapter 6, Lesson 1, which puts us right at the beginning of division. And we'll have some fun with that along the way. I think that you'll find that once we get into this, you probably know more than what you thought that you knew. So let's get right to it. On page 301, we're going to be looking at some modeling, how you model division, what that looks like. Some of this is going to look familiar to you. And we're going to use counters and the strategy of act it out to solve problems with equal groups. So what does that mean? We'll find out together. Let's look at this problem here. Stacy has 16 flowers. She puts an equal number of flowers in each of 4 vases. How many flowers does Stacy put in each vase? Use the graphic organizer below to solve the problem. And as we go through this, you're going to notice this is pretty familiar to some things that we've done in the past. So what do I need to find? Well, I need to find the number of flowers. The number of flowers that Stacy puts in each vase. That's what I'm looking for. What information do I need to find? Well, Stacy has 16 flowers. She puts an equal number of flowers in each of the 4 vases. How will I use the information? I will act out the problem by making equal groups with counters. And although we do not have counters, we will use the next best thing. So, first we need to count out 16 counters. And, if we're going to do this, we might as well do this the right way. Let's look for flowers. What kind of flowers we got here? Anything in here that looks good? You know what? We'll just grab this one right here. Okay. So here is 1 flower. And we need to count out 16 of these. So we're not going to count them out. We're going to use copy paste. Now we've got 4. Now we got 8. And now we've got 16. All right. So, next, make 4 equal groups. Place 1 counter at a time in each group until all 16 are used. So we would go 1, 2, 3, and then 4. And then again, 1, 2, 3, and 4. And one more. 1, 2, 3, and 4. And then finally 1, 2, 3, and 4. So let's see if we can't get some of these vases here. We'll get them kind of spread out so we can see what we have. So there's one right there. And right here. And let's get this one out through here. Now when you do this, you don't have to do flowers and you don't necessarily have to have the counters. You can just make circles or X's or just something that serves as a placeholder for dividing these out. So Stacy puts 4 flowers in each face. All right. This is very similar to the method that you perhaps have seen me use, where we have, let's say we've got 16 of something, and I want to divide those into a group of 4. So you may have something like that. Okay, and then I just count them off, tally mark, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So each group has 4 in it. All right. So that's how that one works right there. Let's move on and see if we can't get this one done. Jamal is at a pet store. He buys 21 dog treats. If he plans to give each dog 3 treats, how many dogs does he feed? So what do I need to find out? We need to find out we need to find the number of dogs Jamal feeds. And we were able to get that from this portion. How many dogs does he feed? What information do I need to use? Well, we've got some information here that's going to be useful. Okay, we have 21 dog treats. And the plan is 3 treats for each dog. So that's the information we're going to use. And how will we use this information? Well, the book here says act out. Dividing the dog treats into equal groups. So what does that look like? All right, describe how to write out to solve the problem. Well, we're not going to write it out. We're going to just go ahead and solve this. Okay, so let's go ahead and get we'll go ahead and just use a circle to represent one of those dog treats. Okay, and we need to get 21 of them. Now, here's something that will help you out. Just a quick little thing here. All right, at least when I'm doing the copying and pasting. All right, so I already have my 3. Okay, and then I'm just going to I'll just go ahead and take these. All right, and as I'm moving them, that's 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, and 21. So I've got these 21 right here. I need to divide them up so that each dog is going to get 3 treats. So then how many dogs do we have? All right. Well, we kind of did the problem right here. Right, here is 1 dog. And I'll go ahead and use this shape right here. So we have a dog here, and right here, and a 3rd one, a 4th one, a 5th one, 6th, and 7. So, how many dogs can he feed? Jamal can feed 7 dogs, 3 treats. Now, how can you check to make sure your answer is reasonable? Well, if we do, let's see if I remember how to do this. If I have 21 treats and I'm going to make sure that 3 treats go to each dog. So 21 divided by 3 equals 7. On the other hand, how to check that is that if 7 dogs get 3 treats, how many treats would I need to get? 21. And that is a fact family. So you can use multiplication to check to make sure that your division is correct. All right, let's go ahead and get ready to do the show and share. You know the drill. Pause it, work the problems, unpause it, and we'll see how you did. All right. I'm sure you did fantastic. So, let's see what we got here. Mariana is having a party. She has 16 cups. She puts them in 2 equal stacks. How many cups are in each stack? So first, decide how to act out the problem. Okay, we can use counters to represent the cups. All right, and we're not going to necessarily use counters. Now, you know what you could use for counters at home if you wanted, all right, or like pennies or coins or something like that. But really the best way in our present situation is just to mark it using an X. You can draw circles. To represent the stacks, then draw to find the number of cups in each stack. So here we go. We'll just make a tally mark. I think is sometimes the best route to go. So we're going to count till we get to 16. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So we have 8 in each stack. So 16 cups divided into 2 stacks is going to be 8 cups in each stack. So 2 groups. There are 8 counters or tallies in each group. So there are 8 cups in each stack. What if Mariana had 24 cups and put 4 cups in each stack? If she already made 4 stacks, how many more stacks can she make with the remaining cups? Okay, she's got 24. She puts 4 cups in each stack. Now, let's see what we got here. She has 24 cups. Puts 4 in each stack. She's already made 4 stacks. All right. So here's a stack. We have another one here. Oh, I can't get those things to move the right way. So we have 3 and 4. So, and each of these has 4 cups in the stack. So here is 4, and here's 4, and 4, and 4. If she already has 4 stacks, how many more stacks will she need? Well, we need to get to 24. We're at 16 right now. All right, so 17, 18, 19, 20. That's going to be a stack. 21, 22, 23, 24. That's also going to be a stack. So we need, how many more stacks will we need? We need 2 more stacks. And we can put in parentheses of 4. So there you have it. Modeling out division. Good luck with your assignment. As always, if you have any questions, let us know. But other than that, I think that you guys will do great.